Build a cinder block barbecue fireplace. Cooking barbecue in the backyard is one wonderful pastime for family bonding. It is great to have a cinder block barbecue fireplace outside your home. There are different purposes in having a cinder block barbecue fireplace in your backyard. You can use it as a spit, grill, or as a roasting pit for marshmallows. You can have a good time with your family telling each other stories while eating barbecue. Cinderblocks is available at your local hardware store at a reasonable price, but you can create your own simple cinder block barbecue in your free time to save you some money. Below are tips on how to build a cinder block barbecue fireplace. Dig an 8 inches square trench. There are different cinder block dimensions, but you can modify the size and the dimension according to your taste. Ensure that the location for your barbecue fireplace will be 10 feet far away from any tree lines, brush piles, or underbrush. There must be no signs of sticks, leaves, and any combustible debris near the location. Arrange the primary row of cinder blocks within the trench. Ensure that they are flushed on the ground surface. If they are too low, simply put sand underneath to level them. If they are too high, then dig out more dirt below. Arrange the blocks first row down over the base. These blocks must cover the whole area, even around the front. This will enclose the base area that will be used for burning. Make your firepit. Lay down the fire bricks within the block's first row. Then, cover it with sand and fill all the cracks for stability. Also, in the center of your location, lay a metal sheet section that's flat on the ground. It will create a heat shield that will catch hot coals that may fall through your coal grate, and it will channel the heat up towards the food that you are cooking. Build up the sides and back of your barbecue fireplace. Your concrete block must be 40 inches high. Leave the front part open. Because you will not use a mortar, ensure that all concrete block is precisely in place. Set up your grate. Inside your pit, put concrete blocks high enough on each side. Ensure that it will cover the back area of your fireplace. The grate must be atop your piled inside blocks. For a plain fire, just remove your grate and place it near the fireplace if you'll need it for your next menu. Before you first use your cinder block grill, coat your cooking grate with olive oil, thin layer, so your grate will become rust-resistant and non-stick. Just allow your grate to heat together with its olive oil glazed over hot coals for an hour. Cinder block grills don't have a lid, so it is best to cook foods that need direct grilling. These include sausages, hot dogs, steaks, chicken breasts, and burgers, among others. Cooking barbecue is great during weekends where everyone is free to tell and hear stories, and it is certain that everyone is looking forward for good old succulent barbecue.